Hi guys, today I'll be doing a BMX bike check. Right, to start off I've got your MSD bars. I've done what the bars and the grips and the barons are. Pretty scratched up though. I've got the MSD stem and I think an MSD headset. I've got the Kendra contact tyres with the Alienation PBR rims and the MSD front hub. I've got a MSD crank, 3-piece crank set with a Odyssey polycarbonate pedals. I've got the dirty pivotal seat. Got an MSD 25 tooth sprocket and a 9 tooth driver at the back. Alienation PBR rims, the MSD rear hub and Kendra contact tyres. Yeah, and this is my bike. Thanks for watching, and of course, Mr. Popsnut.